Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this will be a voiceover. I know I've been not doing some voiceover for the past videos that I did uploaded, and I was feeling like maybe I should do some voiceover today video. And yeah, anyway, let's just get start with it. And yeah, I'm having a breakout right now with acne and something, and I'm gonna use my MAC Prep&Primer Fix Spray. I'm gonna spray my face with it and let it dry, and then after that I'm gonna use my Benefit Porefessional face primer, and I'm just gonna blend it to my I'm just gonna place it to my center of my face and then blending it outward. And then I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna use my Essence brow pencil. And yes, I did my brows uneven, so we're just gonna go with it. And then for my eyelid primer, I'm gonna use my Essence I Love Color Intense Eyelid Primer. I'm just gonna place it and blend it with a brush, a fluffy brush, angled brush actually. And then I'm gonna blend it with a sponge, a damp sponge. And then for eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use my Beige Cosmetic Afternoon. I still cannot pronounce this palette name. Yeah, it's from it's from Beige Cosmetic, and I'm gonna take that shade first to set my eyelids, and then for my pimples, and for the crease color, I'm gonna use this color first. I'm just gonna place it to my outer corner and also to my crease. At first, I'm just gonna placing it to my crease, just like so, and just lightly blending it. I'm using a clean brush without any product at all, and then blending that. And then I'm gonna layer the eyeshadow, if that makes sense. Yeah, of course, it does make sense anyway. And also doing that to the other eye, doing the same steps and blending. And then I'm gonna take this shade, a little bit darker, and also placing it where I placed the first shade that I used to make it even more deeper shade, and blending it. Yes, and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to blend everything together. And for the cut crease concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20, and I'm just going to place it to my inner corner of inner part of my eyelid. And then on the outer part, I'm using the first brush that I used to blend the outer of my eye. And for the eyelid melted eyeshadow, I'm using I'm using Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadow in shade Zinc About You, and I really like the color. or the shade. Anyway, I'm gonna do the other eye, and also I did actually pack the eyeshadow, the Zinc About You shadow. It was bomb. And then I'm gonna take these two shades to blend the outer view. At first I was gonna use a liquid liner, and then I thought I would just do a soft eyeliner, so I'm using actually that was my eyebrow pencil that I used earlier, because I can't find my black eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use it. And then I'm taking an angle brush to blend the eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm gonna use my Essence Lash of the Day Super Volume Mascara in black. I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes with it. And for the foundation, I'm mixing Maybelline New York Matte+Poreless foundation in shade 110, and also mixing with LA Girl Pro.coverage HD High Definition Longwear Illuminating foundation in shade Beige. Just gonna mix it with, and then apply it with my small brush, and then blending it with my damp sponge. I know I have been not uploading some tutorial. I know I missed it also, and also this voiceover. I know my past video was like no voiceover, all this music's on. And anyway, and for concealer, I'm using my Essence Stay All Day 16-hour concealer in shade Soft Beige. I'm just placing it to my center of my face. Blending with my sponge, my damp sponge, of course. And for powder, I'm using my CoverGirl Porefessional loose powder in shade Translucent Light. I'm just doing some baking, so to say. And I'm using my damp sponge, and also to the rest of my face, I'm using an angle brush to set everything. Also that forehead, it's kind of shining through. And for bronze and contouring, I'm using my e.l.f. Contour and Highlight Face Palette in shade Light, and I'm gonna take this shade to bronze my face. And the darker shade for contour my face. And I'm using also a brush from e.l.f. Never ever forget to blend your contour. And then I'm gonna blend it with my sponge to get the harshness that I did. And also I'm gonna contour my forehead, my temple, my jawline, and also my nose to give me a tall nose. Tall, or yeah, a cute butted nose. And I'm gonna for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the first shade that I use for my crease and blending it to my lower lash line. Really blending it and taking the second shade that I use for my eyelid, my crease. And then for the inner corner, I'm using this shade from the same palette and really blending it out to my inner corner. And for the brow highlight, I'm using this shade from my e.l.f. contour and highlight face palette. And for the blush, I'm using my e.l.f. duo blush and bronze and taking this shade, this blush. Anyway, I'm just gonna pop that to my cheekbone. And after that, I'm gonna spray my face some Fix Plus and then let it dry. And for the highlight, I'm using my e.l.f. Big Highlighter in shade Moonlight Pearls. And I'm always getting this expression to my face every time I'm using this highlighter. And I'm gonna highlight of course, all the high points of my face, to my cheekbones and my temple, the upper part of my eyebrow, my bridge of the nose, and to my cupid's bow. And for the lips, I'm using my Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner in shade A Girl's Dream 06. And for the lipstick, I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in shade Soft Spoken. And for setting my brow, I'm using my Essence Almost Dried Mascara, because I really like using this kind of stuff. Oh yeah, and I'm not done with my lower lash line. I'm just gonna darken up that part using the shades from the same palette from Beige Cosmetic. And for my waterline, I'm using two kind of eyeliner. The first one I did from Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in shade Miss Honey Penny. It's more like a shimmery eye pencil. And the last one, the second one, was also from Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. It's a waterproof in shade 06 Silky Nude. And for the last step, I'm gonna put some lashes on, and we're done. And this is the final look, or the final results of the tutorial. And hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I uploaded a video, a tutorial, or a vlog. I'm thinking doing some vlogs, but I don't know, maybe in the futures. Anyway, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.